Hello? Me and Martha are gonna go get a tattoo. What? Breakfast. Banana and avocado. We're at Dunkin' Donuts after a stressful morning trying to find our way to Kurfürstendamm. We didn't make it, so we'll try tomorrow again. Hi everyone, so a quick little break in this vlog because it's so short. I wanted to add this little unboxing haul in collaboration with Safira, which is a jewellery website which sells amazing jewellery. I'm in love with everything. I wish I could just get everything from their page. They have so cute things and I've been really loving gold jewellery recently. Which loads of people also have. So I've got home a few pieces that I wanted to share with you. I'll tag their Instagram down below. Of course I have a coupon code which gives you 20%. It's valid until October the 31st and it is on the screen right here and in the description box. And their Instagram is just the official Safira, so let's get into it. This is what the package looked like. It's super cute. I have done a collab with them before where I got this ring. I just posted an Instagram picture of it the other day. I love it so much. I wear it like almost every day. I think it's just super cute and simple. It's gold plated and so are all of the things that I got. So first when I open it, this is what I see. This brand is sustainable and Swedish, so that's nice. And this is what it looks like inside. They come in little bags which are so cute. The first thing I got was another ring and I'm obsessed with this ring. And because I work in a jewellery store, I could find my ring measurements, testing on different rings basically. But if you don't, you can order home like a guide, so you'll be able to measure your fingers. But I've got 16 in this one, which is like the smallest size. And then I got 17 in this new ring that I ordered because I wanted to have it on my, what's it called, pinky finger. It is super, super cute. I love it when it's like different and quite chunky. I like that style and I think it looks like nice with loads of rings on one hand. So next up I got 2 pairs of earrings and I got little hoops just because I always use hoops and I don't have any good quality hoops. Like the only gold hoops I have I've used so much, so the colouring is like basically silver or green right now, but because these are gold plated they're gonna last me so much longer. They look like this and they're a little bit textured like that, which I like. Since I got my second holes I ordered a pair of hoops for my other holes, but I can't change them yet, but I will show you how they look. I love these. These are definitely going to be my go-to like daily earrings. They're perfect size and super comfy. And then I'm going to have the other hoops that I got, which are these smaller ones. This is how they look. Can you see? It's got like a chain kind of braided look and they're a little bit smaller than these ones, so that's gonna look really nice. So basically to open and close it you just lift and shut this flap down like that. A bit hard to show on camera, but it's really simple and easy to use. So do not forget to check their website out. I will have it linked below along with the items I got. I love them so much and they do really nice trendy cute in pieces. I'm definitely going to continue shopping from them because I absolutely love them and I love that they're into sustainability and stuff like that, which I think is super important. So again, that's why we got one box. It's for all of my jewellery instead of one per jewellery, which I'm trying to reduce their negative impact on the environment. So this box is also eco-friendly, which is nice. Now I think I've done blabbering on, so thank you so much to Safira. Again, links below, discount code below, everything. Let's move on into the vlog.
Nu börjar jag typ bli irriterad. Nej, vi får sova ute. Jag har redan knäppt upp mina byxor liksom. Ja.
Magic.
Tack.
So we are in Berlin now and we got here like 2 days ago. We're in a little apartment, but it's basically just a room and a toilet, and we've got a little fridge and a water boiler. As you can hear, I've got a really bad cold and there's children outside playing. But we haven't really done much. We tried to go out yesterday, but we didn't really make it because one of us didn't have our ID, but we're gonna try tomorrow again.
Bragged.
Well, what was I gonna say? But today Amelia's taking over the vlog, so enjoy. It will be in Swedish.
Nej. Men jag vet liksom inte hur jag ska hålla den. Nu ser man liksom allt som är stökigt. Nej men.
What? What's up bitches? Fan vad blåa mina ögon blev. Och dina med. Wow, dina är bättre. Mina är gröna bara.
Nej. Okej, hallå allihopa.
Hej.
Hallå allihopa då. Det är Millan som tagit det här. Jag kan inte. Regna här. Titta så bra. Nej. God morgon från Berlin. Idag ska jag vlogga åt Becka. Vi får väl se hur det här går. Jag tycker det här är asjobbigt. Idag är det dag nummer 3 i Berlin. Och idag ska vi träffa våra kompisar och det ska bli jätteroligt. Är du taggad?
Jättetaggad, så här taggad är jag. So now we're on our way to meet our besties, which we haven't seen in 2 months. Crazy. Oh. Det kommer inte kännas verkligt alltså. Nej.
Pranksters. Let's go. Nu ska hon komma och filma. Jag vet inte om det står här nere.
Vlog. Breakfast. Lite antiklimax. Det är typ. Alltså va? Varför är du typ sexy? So hi guys, today is our next last day in Berlin. It's Wednesday the 15th of May, I think. Yeah. And today me and my friends, actually just me and Martha, are gonna go get a tattoo. Or I'm gonna get 2 tattoos, which is really exciting. This was kind of like a spontaneous thing. We didn't really know if we were gonna do it or not. I've still got a cold, which is why my voice is like this. But I'm just gonna get a word here. I will reveal it later, and then I'm gonna get a heart on my other arm. So we're gonna do that, but I think that my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna have to vlog with my phone. Exciting. This will be my 2nd time getting tattoos, so I will have 4 small tattoos after this.
Ich liebe Gorgonzola.
Ja. Det går bra nu.
Ja. Snyggt gumman. Okej, ska vi göra en liten uppdatering? Kan vi stänga någon av våra väskor?
Nej.
Kan vi stänga ens någon av våra packing cubes?
Nej. Olle, vänta, kolla här.
Du kunde?
Kanske går.
Går det för dig?
It's raining, it's cold. Currywurst, vegan. Now we are on our way home from our livets resa. Life's journey.
Life's.
I just want to show you my tattoos I got and end this vlog here. So the first one I got was gratitude, it says. And I just got this one because I was feeling so grateful for like everything I had, and I just think it's so important to be grateful and think about the things you're grateful for. I don't know, I just think it's really important, so I got that just because how grateful I was for the trip and just for everything. And then I got this heart just because I've always wanted a little heart here and I like this placement. My Emilia also got one. I kind of need to fill it in though, 'cause